Hello there, I'm Ryan Chan, the CEO and founder of UpKeep. Are you looking to implement a facility renewal program but feel overwhelmed? You're in the right place. In today's video, I'll be breaking down a clear blueprint to guide you through this process. We'll discuss how to prioritize your efforts, segment the program, build a collaborative environment, and address the biggest concerns first. By the end of this video, you will have a solid action plan to kick off your facility renewal program. Let's dive right in. First, you need to prioritize the effort. Remember, this is a major project that's going to require a great deal of resources to do right. So, assign a full-time, experienced facility manager to lead the project. You need a leader to keep the project moving forward. And don't forget, you need buy-in from top management, other operations departments, and maintenance to participate and provide the necessary support, both in terms of labor assistance and process cooperation. Next, segment the renewal program. When you're tackling a huge effort, it's best to break it down into manageable parts with specific measurable objectives and goals. For facility renewal, this could mean setting goals by time period, like 1, 5, and 10-year benchmarks. You can also tie these benchmarks to specific departments or major processes, tackling them one at a time. Now let's talk about building a collaborative effort. You can implement all sorts of great process, data, and technology changes designed to take a facility from constantly dealing with unplanned maintenance issues to a more predictive environment. But if those using and operating the system don't buy in, your effort will be a huge waste of money and time. So, build a collaborative environment for your renewal program. Gather input, suggestions, and pain points from everyone who is coping with the antiquated system, and then provide regular updates and reports of the renewal process. Don't forget to collect feedback and suggestions throughout the process as well. Finally, address the largest concerns first. There's nothing like visible improvement to fuel dedication to more improvement efforts. Focus on the major issues within your facility first, so many people will benefit from the initial renewal changes. Not only will this generate internal support for the overall renewal effort, but focusing on the largest concerns will also allow your company to reap the biggest rewards and cost savings as soon as possible. So, there you have it, a blueprint to follow when implementing a facility renewal program. Remember to prioritize the effort, segment the program, build a collaborative effort, and address the largest concerns first. With these steps, you'll be well on your way to a successful facility renewal program. Thank you for watching. We've just walked you through the key steps to implementing a successful facility renewal program. If you found this video helpful, please hit that subscribe button to stay updated with our latest content. For more information, visit our website at upkeep.com. We look forward to helping you on your journey towards facility renewal.